Watch the alignment on the far side.
Clearance is good. Keep coming down slowly.
This gauge is reading high.
Okay, I'll tighten the connection on the heat exchanger.
The flux density is stable now. Check the hysteresis loop.
Looks good. The losses are within the acceptable limits.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down 5 more centimeters. Got the alignment pin in. Start the torque sequence on the bolts.
Okay, slow traverse to the left. Watch your clearance. Copy. Maintaining slow speed. Looks good.
Pressure looks good on the gauge.
I am opening the bypass valve now. Cooling is active.
Look at the reading right here. The sound power level is slightly high.
I see that. Let's rerun the localized test on the cooling fans.
The alignment looks good. Check the specs for the torque.
Setting it to 75 Newton meters now.
The voltage reading on line 3 looks stable now.
Good. Let's secure the wiring harness.
Ensure the grounding cables are secure before we proceed.
Already double checked, we are good to go on this side.
Seal integrity confirmed on the manifold connection.
Pressure is holding steady. Test passed.
Check the serial number plate alignment here. Well,
Looks good. Let's move to the bushing inspection.
Final electrical test complete. All systems validated.
Lowering now, keep it aligned.
Roger, looking good on this side.
Set the binders once it's secure.
This gauge right here monitors the internal pressure.
So if it reads above 50 psi, we initiate the shutdown sequence. The demonstration highlights the efficiency of the filtration unit. Pay close attention to the pressure differential across these filters.
This demonstration model highlights the core efficiency,
Right.
reducing energy loss significantly.
So the long-term savings are substantial then.
Precisely.
The cooling system exceeds the specifications, ensuring optimal performance.
And the transient response under fault conditions?
As you can see, the financing structure on the MV7 line is very favorable.
Yes, this works perfectly. Let's move forward.
Excellent. If you'll just sign here.
The readings are well within the regulatory limits.
Confirmed. The certification can proceed.
We've completed all final checks, Mr. Johnson.
Looks good. We'll take it.
This demonstrates the full regeneration cycle, extending the oil life indefinitely.
The maintenance schedule is logged here, ensuring long-term reliability. Clear on this side. Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly. Hold it, swing it slightly left.
This acoustic enclosure features heavy gauge steel and advanced convoluted foam insulation, drastically reducing the transformer's noise output. The new ETA 3000 series transformers have revolutionized our operations, ensuring unparalleled reliability.
This grid connection represents a major step forward for the region's power stability.
We are officially online.
Unit 7B is diverting from the optimized route.
Rerouting command acknowledged. ETA updated.
These figures here match the quality parameters on the screen.
And how often is this data reconciled against the physical output?
Phase relationship is stable.
Vector group checks out. We can disconnect the leads.
This is where the magic happens. The virtual tour allows us to show you the scale of our operations. All systems check out on the HV side.
Confirmed. The insulation readings are well within tolerance.
Great. Let's finalize the acceptance tag.
If you could just sign here acknowledging receipt of the transfer of ownership.
Of course. Thank you. We'll take it from here.